Candy.
And this is Ask an Expert.
All right, today's question comes from History Rules. That's the only name I have because it's from YouTube.
Oh, a
And
YouTube.
we got it. Yeah, I know. It's exciting.
Awesome.
We got a response from
It
YouTube.
is exciting.
I know. Yay, our first YouTube response question. Has your stomach ever growled while you were dancing or on a job?
On a job, like a construction job?
Like alien autopsies? I mean, we do that on Saturday nights.
I know. Well, sometimes if my stomach growls during a dance, I always tell people, like, if it's really, I say, oh, I'm on this new diet. It's called AIR, because in the new year, I found I really need to lose some weight because I'm just so fat. And then the customers will say, no, you look great. You don't need to lose any weight. You look so thin. And it's an instant self-esteem boost. It's amazing. So I like to play it off like that. But I think that if you actually didn't need to lose weight, it's probably not a good idea to try that, because that might not go as planned.
No,
So.
but that's your New Year's resolution, isn't it? Not to eat anything.
I know, air.
Oh, I'm full. I'm stuffed. I can't eat.
Oh my God.
I can't suck
I
in
can't
any more
breathe
air.
another-
I can't breathe another
Oh my
breath.
God. I can't. Ow.
I'm stuffed. I'm gonna have to go live somewhere where there's not so much oxygen.
Oh, I know, like a mountain.
You're breathing too much air. You really should lose it.
Oh, okay.
Well, my stomach growls, you know, like,
Wow, you must be starving.
occasionally it growls.
Oh my gosh, that's amazing. You better eat some air, quick.
It's going crazy.
Oh my gosh. Maybe something else is going on there.
I don't know what's happening. I didn't have any garlic last night, so that's not
a
a problem. No, it's just my
Awesome.
stomach.
Well,
It's getting kind of loud.
well, let's hope it doesn't happen if you're on a job.
On a job like the alien autopsies, the guy might come back to life.
I'm not sure what that's all about. Anyway,
I don't know what
history,
that means.
if that
Anyway,
is your real name.
Yeah, your history.
Thanks for watching Ask an Expert.
All right, thanks a lot for your comments.